Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the laptop accepts M.SATA modules and not M. 2. Check the motherboard label or manual to avoid buying the wrong form factor. Once done, you must power down, remove the battery if removable, and ground yourself with an anti-static strap to protect components. Make sure to create a full disk image backup to an external drive or the cloud so you can restore the original system if anything goes wrong during the swap. You open the access panel and locate the M.SATA socket. Remove the tiny retaining screw first so the card can seat. Then insert the M.SATA SSD at a roughly 30 degrees angle into the slot, press it down flat, and secure it with the screw so it won't loosen under vibration. Once reassembled and the battery reconnected, boot into BIOS or UEFI to confirm the drive is detected. If it appears, you're ready to format or clone the OS. You now choose whether to clone the existing OS image or perform a clean install. If cloning, use a reliable tool and then set the M.SATA drive as the primary boot device in UEFI. Make sure partitions use GPT for UEFI systems and enable trim support after installation to preserve performance. If the drive is not detected, reseat the card, confirm the retaining screw contacts the board, update BIOS firmware, or test the M.SATA in an external adapter to isolate a faulty slot or SSD.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.